Are you looking perpetually exhausted in your pregnancy? Want to minimize crow's feet, dark circles and puffiness? Then you're in the right place. You cannot just pick a random eye brightening cream or any other makeup product while pregnant. In this video, I have rounded up top 5 best eye creams for pregnant women that got thousands of positive reviews in Amazon and other websites. To know more, keep watching this video. Number 5. Burt's Bees Eye Cream. Burt's Bees achieved the National Eczema Association seal of acceptance for this safe eye cream. It's perfect for sensitive skin. Also, it's been tested by ophthalmologists and dermatologists. An international blend of humectants, oils, and squalene to improve skin's moisture barrier when used daily as directed, while soothing visible redness and irritation. It's a 98.9% natural moisturizer enriched with aloe and rice extract. This refreshes the skin under your eyes and diminishes puffiness. It's made with the best natural and organic anti-aging ingredients. The goal is to make your eye look awake and feel refreshed. It won't bother sensitive eyes or contact lens wearers. And it's also free of allergens like dyes and artificial perfumes. It's a skin-friendly form of alcohol that helps to keep skin moisturized. Also, can help develop a protective coating on the skin surface to secure the eye areas from harmful bacteria while serving essential nutrients. No doubt that it will be a great addition to your nighttime skincare routine during pregnancy. Number 4. Roche-Posay Toleriane Ultra Eye Cream. Fragrance-free eye creams are a must-have for individuals with sensitive eyes. The Roche-Posay Toleriane Ultra Eye Cream will be a great addition to any skincare routine for sensitive skin. It fixes uncomfortable and dry skin in an instant. Also, it is free of perfumes, drying alcohols, paraben, and other preservatives. It's packaged in a way that prevents contamination during use. The lightweight eye cream with a soothing gel cream texture is infused with clinically proven ingredients like niacinamide, and thermal spring water. The combination offers a healthy dose of hydration for the skin. Also contains shea butter, which helps soften and soothe the skin. Plus, the minimalist formula acts gently on the eye area without causing any discomfort. The formula has been tested to be safe for allergy-prone skin. Also helps retain an optimal skin hydration level throughout the day. Can actually use on eyelids and close to eye, very gentle, but that does not burn. Probably aided in dark circles to some extent. Number 3. Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. A well-known brand like Cetaphil will hardly let you down. Like many eye creams, it has the hyaluronic acid component to keep the dry skin under the eye hydrated. Also includes licorice extract, which is known for its antioxidant properties. The combination of licorice extract and hyaluronic acid along with vitamin complex brightens and nourishes the skin. At the end, multivitamins nourish the skin to prevent premature aging. Like all skincare products from this company, it's been tested by dermatologists. The formula is lightweight to get absorbed quickly on the eye skin. Don't worry about your sensitive eyes because it is dermatologist tested and proven safe for the sensitive skin. Moreover, the cream is enriched with many nutrients to reduce sign of aging. With daily use, it will make the eyes area look glowing and smooth. You will never experience any greasy or oily feelings since it has a lightweight formula to treat your skin gently. Achieving a smooth and glossy eye skin is super easy using this gel. Number 2. Neutrogena Hydro Eye Cream. Neutrogena Hydro Eye Cream is one of the most popular eye creams out there. It is purposely made for delicate skin, therefore a safe option for during pregnancy. The water gel formula is what makes it different from other eye creams on the market. It is lightweight and goes on nicely without drying out fast. It contains one of the world's best moisturizers, hyaluronic acid. This ingredient attracts and holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water. Next, the non-greasy formula has dimethicone to soothe redness and seal in moisture. The gel cream sinks in fast and goes well under makeup. It's free of artificial dyes, fragrance, and also that it unclogs pores. This pregnancy-safe eye cream works excellent on dark circles and puffiness under the eyes. Its non-comedogenic formula helps to beautify your skin and prevent the growth of acne, pore, fine lines, and wrinkles. Thanks to the moisturizing agent hyaluronic acid, it makes the dry, puffy skin under your eyes supple and smooth. You will likely notice a difference right after you apply it. Number 1. CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. If you are struggling with eye bags and dark circles under your eyes, then you might want to try the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. Aside from treating dark circles and fine lines, it transforms your puffy eyes into sparkling, smooth, and healthy-looking eyes. It's non-comedogenic and allergy-tested. There's not even an artificial fragrance in it. Like other moisturizers from this manufacturer, it features ceramides. The cream is enriched with 3 essential ceramides from the skin barriers around the eyes area. With the help of the MVE controlled release technology, the cream does a great job of moisture retention throughout the day. Your skin will stay hydrated and moisturized even in the super dry season. Finally, niacinamide repairs damaged skin and soothes redness.